Today we're going to do 3 special functions on this tool. Calibrate our rain light sensor, reset the oil life in the transmission, and we're going to calibrate the ABS. We already did a short test on the vehicle, and we're going to start with the rain light sensor. We're going to find it, enter the system, acknowledge, go into special functions, select rain light sensor, and then perform rain light sensor number 2. Acknowledge, preparing, and it's already done. Now we're going to go into the transmission control unit. Acknowledge it. We're going to go into special functions. We're going to oil life reset. Acknowledge that. Do you wish to perform the oil change? Say yes. Click OK. It was already reset, so it can't be redone again. The value is already at 99. We're going to go into the ABS system. Acknowledge it. Special functions. And then DSC adjustment. Okay. And you got to let it know how many cylinders you have. We have 6 cylinders, so select 2. Read and acknowledge. Acknowledge. And it lets you know the system has been done. Acknowledge. Thank you for watching, and please look for more launch videos to come.